basis regularly. This is all very important for improving teaching quality. But at the same time, it's not only about academic or scholarly activities, but it's also promoting behaviors among teachers and communities that accept all children, regardless of their class, ethnicity, or so on. The package contains two documents, a DVD guide for planners and practitioners, and in this, we also have the guiding principles, which have been produced in collaboration with the Ministry of Human Resources Development, which provide practical recommendations, school-based strategies, and monitoring indicators to make this happen. And we also have experiences from the field. We actually have 27 evidence-based field examples, and you've seen one of them today. And there are all kinds of examples, and I won't go into the details now, that I've even visited myself for my own work, ranging from activity-based learning and joyful learning in the state of Karnataka, the CCE approach in Rajasthan, the Integrated School Health and Hygiene Program in Jharkhand, and the Storytelling Initiative in Assam to promote the transition from mother tongue to Assamese. So I could keep going on and on.